Let us build the TSI Global Index Interactive Report, which is being published and distributed to many financial institutions. You can see the final version of the report. Users can slice and dice the data by various filters and various measures. They can filter on years or on regions to make it easier to compare regions. They also can see the impact of the global index changes on various indexes displayed on the second chart. They can select different indexes. Once the report is finished in storied data, the is updated automatically every 3 days. Let us build it. Create a new file. The default canvas size is 1080 wide, which is ideal for mobile devices. Make it 1280 pixels to fit on any devices. Insert the header image and set the size to 1280 by 400. Align it at the top left corner on the page, setting the X and Y page positions to 0. Apply the changes. Create the TSI logo. It is best to draw this simple logo so that the text does not pixelate if the user zooms on the report, as it happens with text on images. As you saw, you can drag and drop the circle to the desired position on the canvas. Remove the inner fill and set the circle line to 7 pixels. Next, insert static text. Enter the text, TSI. Move the static text box within the circle and size it to fit well in the circle. Set the font size to 40 points, the color to white, and center it. The logo is now ready. Hit Apply. Add data in Excel, CSV, or JSON to design the template. You can set formatting for each column. Insert a rectangle to create a background to visually emphasize the year selectors for the charts. Drag and drop the sides of the rectangle component to set its width and height. Set the rectangle color to blue. Insert horizontal checkboxes and place them over the blue background. Select the source data field, year. Style it. We'll make it a selector once the chart is created. Insert a line chart and resize it to fit the canvas. Scroll down to select the dimension for X-axis, the measure for the Y-axis, and the color by field to display all regions on separate lines. Click on Dimensions and select the date field for the X-axis of the line chart. Click on Measures. The measure must be a numeric field. Select Risk Score for the Y-axis. The line appears on the chart. Click Color by and select the Region field to display a separate line for each region. You can create custom colors for each region if you need. We finished the chart. Add horizontal checkboxes for the regional selectors. Select the Region field to populate the checkboxes. Scroll down to select the component that the checkbox selection will apply to. Select the chart. Type a name for this filter. You can build complex combinations of filters. Try the selections. Next, we will create a line chart with a measure filter, which is functionally different from the regional value filter. It swaps the measure that is displayed on the chart. Clone the first chart. Cloning makes an exact copy of any element, allowing you to reuse the formatting. Move the clone below it. Remove the measure and the color by fields from the clone chart. Click again on Measures and add the 5 fields. Each field represents a different financial index. Since users never compare 2 or more indexes directly, it is better to display on the chart 1 index at a time. Hence, the Swap Measures filter. Next, insert a horizontal list. Select as a source the chart and then the measures from the chart. Resize and position it on the canvas. Select to apply it on opening the document. Set the selected value to be underlined. Try your measure filter. Notice how the underline changes when you select a different measure. Scroll down and then click Insert the grid. Drag and drop the grid container sides to size it. The grid will contain the detailed records and comments from the data. Scroll down the properties. Click on Dimensions to add date, region, and comments. Click on Measures to add the risk score and its percent change measure. The basic report is ready, but you can do so much more.